What's up, you guys? This is iamvanessa mcclam, and thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. Right now, I am in Athens, Greece, and I wanted to do this series today on how to pack for Greece or any international trip by using just carry-on luggage. So, I wanted to show you guys what luggage I brought, what items I packed. Right now, this is the end of May and early June. I will be here for about 14 days. So I wanted to share with you guys what I packed that will sustain me for 14 days. Okay, so are you guys ready? Let's get started. Okay, you guys, so this is the luggage that I bought. This is a 20 by 18 inch carry-on. If you can see here, it has the ability to bunch out or expand. So, first of all, if you're trying to get through without checking in your bag, I would advise that you probably do not use that expandable part. Because if it doesn't zip up to, or if it doesn't match the dimensions, the width of whatever airline that you're flying, there's a possibility that they may require you to check in that bag. So don't be tempted to use that expandable part unless you want to. You may run the risk of having to check the bag in. Okay, so we're going to zip open the bag. All right, so this is what it looks like after being shooken up and in transport. So first thing you see here is my little bag of goodies. So I'm going to empty that bag. This is pretty much like my hair stuff, some of my hair stuff that I brought. So I did bring a brush set. I have a little turban for my hair, a shower cap. I do have on a lace front or a lace 360 lace unit. So just in case I need to renew or refresh. And then I have beeswax for my hair. Also the Gorilla snot gel to taper down my edges. So that's for my hair. I bought lotion in this little container. I got this from Walmart. And I just put my lotion in there from home. I have towelettes for my face. I have a razor, just in case. Just in case I needed to do laundry, or not. Actually, this is not for laundry. This is an ironing aid. This would be in comparison to starch if I needed to iron with it. There's like an odor eliminator, fabric freshener, or static remover, and it's an ironing aid. So a wrinkle releaser. Okay, and then I also have Tide in case I need to wash my clothes. I bought some goodies like Dramamine. This is for motion sickness. Last year when I went to Dubai, I was extremely sick, so I bought that. And I bought Excedrin migraine just in case. I don't know. I heard I'd be doing a lot of walking, so I also got this gel heel pad for my sandals in case I needed them. Oh, and here's a little clip for my hair in case I need to pull it back. So this does not have to be your list, but this is pretty much what I bought. A lot of the hair items is probably going to be tailored to however your hair is done. You know, I am a natural chick, so I decided to go ahead and put a lace front, or not a lace front, I keep saying lace front, a 360 lace wig on so that I don't have to keep messing with my hair. And that's pretty much what I needed. Oh, I also got other stuff in my other bag. So, to the clothes. All right, so this is how my clothes look. I pretty much rolled them up, and they kind of unraveled a little. They were a lot more tight. But let's start off with the outfits. In here is all my underwear. I put my bras and stuff like that in here. And then I have this. This is a electric outlet for Europe. It has some Europe prongs on it. So this is really important, you guys. If you are traveling internationally, you want to make sure that you have something like this, because if you look at the prongs here, let me show you. They match the outlet. So here's the Europe outlet, if you can see that. There are no regular US outlets here in this apartment. So you want to make sure you have. Okay, so this is the first outfit I have. This is something that is not really mixed or matched, but it was so cute, so I decided to bring it. And what I'll do is, this is actually like a skirt and a shirt. So what I'll do is I'll show you guys a picture of all the items out of my bag and show you how much I was able to pack. I think that would probably be the easy way to do this. But just kind of rustling through my bag. I have my bras. I have a pair of Bermuda shorts. I have some yoga pants. I have a selfie stick that I stuffed in here. I have shoes. You can see my Sanooks. I love these things. I have another pair of flat shoes, some heels. I also have some other items of clothing. Jeans, a pair of jeans, a pair of shorts. Something for my nights. And also, if I wanted to go to the beach, I could use this as a cover-up, so it has a dual purpose. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to take everything out and just lay it out on the bed so you can kind of see how much stuff I was able to pack in this little suitcase.
Yeah, what's mine? Hey, what's mine? I'm a star, cause I slay, I slay, I slay, I slay, all day, I slay, I slay, I slay, we gon' slay, we slay, I slay, I slay, okay, I slay,
I counted over 20 possible outfit combinations. Here's a list of the items I packed. So you guys, I counted a whopping 24 plus outfits that you could mix and match with all of the clothes that I bought in my luggage. That doesn't even include the outfits that I had for my personal item. I actually have on some jogging pants right now. So I got on these Nike dry fits with a little shirt. Excuse my mess. And I actually have a couple others. I have this orange one that looks just like this one, but it's a rounded neck, and also this gray one that goes with my sneakers that I wore to the airport. I wore sneakers because the sneakers actually take up a lot of the space, so I decided to wear those. Here's a shot of those. I'll make sure I take a picture of those. Oh well, here's a shot of those. So I actually wore these to the airport and boarded the plane with my sneakers because they took up a lot of space. So let's go into my personal item, which is my backpack that I had. Michelle's getting cute. I didn't mean for you to take this picture. I was just recording. Want to see what's going on in my world on a daily basis? Follow me on Instagram at iamvanessa mcclam. No spaces, all one word. To get a glimpse of my life outside of YouTube and for more hair and beauty ideas. For business-related inquiries, you can email me at iamvanessa@gmail.com. I'm always looking for new products to review and small businesses to expose. Have an awesome day, and thanks again for tuning in.